In a forgotten barn concealed from the world for a decade lies a vintage treasure, the barn-find Honda Prelude. With excitement and curiosity, Jason, a seasoned car detailer, steps into the dusty garage accompanied by his skilled team. They peel back the heavy car cover, unveiling the once-splendid Prelude, now covered in a thick layer of grime and cobwebs. Undeterred, Jason knows that hidden beneath the neglect is the potential to restore this classic beauty to its former glory. As the sun's rays filter through the cracks, they reveal the silhouette of a timeless car waiting to be rejuvenated. The team springs into action, meticulously washing away years of dirt, revealing the original paint's true color. Jason lovingly examines the car's exterior, tracing the scratches and dents that hint at its journey through time. With each stroke of the polisher, the Prelude's faded paint begins to shine anew, as if awakened from a long slumber. The interior is not forgotten. It is carefully cleaned, and the scent of nostalgia fills the air. After hours of dedication, the transformation is complete. Jason stands beside the resplendent Honda Prelude, its luster restored and its allure revived. A testament to the magic of car detailing restoration, this once-forgotten gem is ready to take its place on the road once more, a true masterpiece rediscovered. The barn-find Honda Prelude serves as a reminder that with passion, skill, and dedication, any car can be reborn, reigniting the love and memories it once held.